What can I use to repel birds? Normally, birds are a welcome addition to your home and yard. But when they become a nuisance contaminating water, harming roof shingles or destroying crops, it's time to think about discouraging them. Several repellent options are available. Ultrasonic predator sounds. Ultrasonic devices create a sound that only birds can hear. These machines mimic natural predatory sounds, distress cries and other sounds that birds don't like. Sonic distress cries. Sonic devices are programmable and create sounds that chase birds away. These sound like the distress cries of other birds. Visual deterrents. Modern versions of the scarecrow, such as owl eyes, fox replicas, fake alligators and shiny, spooky mylar strips, discourage birds. Unpleasant tastes. Bitter and stinky, taste aversion repellents work by making food sources taste and smell bad. These solutions are non-toxic and biodegradable. Discomfort. Pointy, sticky or clingy, roost inhibitors prevent birds from landing or nesting on surfaces. 1 or 2 tries will discourage even the most persistent birds. Dogs and cats. Birds fear cats and dogs, which makes these pets excellent bird repellents.